Hey friends, hello and welcome back to the channel. In this video, I'm going to share to you on how you can fix the 403 error code forbidden error in the Google Chrome browser. So if you encounter this kind of error, then let's go quick into the process. In the Windows search bar right here, type Chrome. So we are going to open the Chrome browser. Simply click on that. Now here in this window, you have to click on the three dots at the top right corner. Simply scroll down and you'll find settings, the one with the gear-like symbol. In the list of options on the left pane, you have to click on privacy and security. Then under it, you'll find delete browsing data, delete history, cookies, cache, and more. Click on that. You have two options on how you can delete it. It could be basic or advanced. Go to advanced. Time range, change that to all time. Browsing history, download history, cookies, and other site data. Cached images and files, check that all. Site settings and the hosted app data, check that, but do not check the passwords and the autofill. You just simply click on delete data. Then close the Chrome browser. In the Windows search bar, type here ncpa.cpl. Control panel item, simply click on that. Now here you need to locate your connection. It could be Ethernet or Wi-Fi. The process is just the same. Simply make a right click, then you have to select Properties. Now here in this window, you'll find Internet Protocol version 4. Click on that. Click on Properties. Then here you'll find this option. Use the following DNS server addresses. So we are going to use the Google's DNS server addresses. For the preferred DNS server, type here 8.8.8.8. And for the alternate DNS server, type here 8.8.4.4. So it's 8.8.8.8, and for the alternate, it's 8.8.4.4. Then you have to click on OK. And then simply close this windows. Then in the Windows search bar again, you need to type here CMD for the next method, which stands for command prompt. Then you have to click on run as administrator. Now here in this window, just follow these commands. First command is ipconfig space /flush DNS. It's ipconfig space /flush DNS and hit enter. Next command, NATSH. It's NATSH space winsock space reset and then hit enter. So it's NATSH space winsock space reset. Now successfully reset the winsock catalog. You must restart the computer in order to complete the reset. Type exit, hit enter, and then make a right click at the start button, shut down or sign out, and restart your Windows. So that's it. I hope this video helped you. Kindly please do not forget to hit the like button and subscribe to the channel for more videos and tutorials. Thank you for watching.